ride. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. He at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around. Push into the air, he's rolled through. Here we go. Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. He's Quartararo. Is that the Vizioso? I think it is. There's fire from the Ducati. The high ride. Down he went. All the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Lafferty and Tony Elias. And what about this last row, Matt?
Brock Parks. And yes, your eyes are not deceiving you. It's Valentino Rossi in 26.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled
Discussed,
through.
Argued about, now disappears. And here is poor old Cal Crutchlow having to stop.
Maggots and Beckett. Quartararo wincing a bit. The air he's rolled through. The tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't give a Fabio Quartararo a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.